In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to save a new report in under 60 seconds. We'll start with an existing prompt from the library, bring it back into the prompt window, and edit it. You can start from scratch, but this is usually the fastest way by building on what you already have. Here we're simply adding breakdown by channel, and we're ready to create. Harmony now fetches the data, summarizes it, and builds the report. That's great for one-off questions, but if you want it reusable for you or the wider organization, you save the prompt. We will give it a moment while Harmony pulls everything through. And there it is, the report is built, with axes detected automatically and channel set as the series. Want to save it? Just hit save. Give it a name, or ask Harmony to suggest one, choose a category, and decide whether to save it to my prompts or share it with your organization. And that's it, a new report saved in under 60 seconds. Now go back to the prompt library, hit refresh, and you'll see your new prompt ready to recreate this report whenever you need it. That's Harmony in action, powered by Framemetric. Want this in your organization? Visit framemetric.ai and request a demo. Thanks for watching.